Welcome back to the Dumpster Rental Systems video training series on building inventory. In part 3, we will show you how to build your list of items. DRS has the ability to import spreadsheets containing item data so as to save time. So if you have a spreadsheet with much or all of your inventory in it, please feel free to reach out to the tech support department to coordinate an inventory import. In this video, we will cover the basics for inventory item entry. We will cover additional options in our advanced video. To begin, please navigate to Admin, Products, Items, and click the Add New button. The name field is self-explanatory, but items also contain an option for Special Display Name. The name of an item creates a web page path or URL specific to that item. Special Display Name is used for custom HTML tags such as increasing font size, changing font color, and adding additional information. We'll cover Special Display Name further in our Advanced Items video. Item types are used for various functionality. The majority of items will be regular items in your inventory. A package bundles regular items from your existing inventory into specials, or allows items to share inventory. This can be useful for managing your inventory and making a streamlined, user-friendly checkout process for your customers. We'll discuss packages further later in this video. Shared should never be selected. DRS allows you to share your inventory between different DRS accounts if you own multiple businesses or have a partnership with another business. Shared items will automatically populate this field. Please contact technical support for help with product sharing. Enter your item's basic cost in this box. Additional hourly and daily pricing is configured using schedule profiles and price rules. Schedule profiles, price rules, and availability rules are generally created working directly with the DRS technical support team because of their complexity. Quantity indicates the number of units you have. The system will never let your customers rent a higher quantity than is available. If the quantity box is blank, an item will not appear on your website or your backend for ordering. Some items may be for sale rather than for rent, such as gloves or masks. The DRS system can count down these items as they're sold for inventory tracking purposes. Instructions for how to track your sales items in this way will be covered in the Advanced Items video. If you'd rather not track your sales items in this way, you can enter in a generically high number of quantities, such as 100, to ensure the items always show up as available on your website. Again, this guideline is only for sales items. For rental items, put the actual number of items that you have in inventory in this box. The picture box allows you to upload an image from your computer or select from one of the ERS defaults. The picture will be displayed on your store. The description box creates text next to your item which populates to the web page for the item. The editor allows you to perform all kinds of functions such as bolding text, creating lists, inserting additional item pictures, adding links, and many other functions. The functionality and interface of this section of the system is similar to word processing programs like Microsoft Word or Google Docs, so feel free to experiment with different techniques here. And as always, please feel free to reach out to tech support with any questions. Description text affects your search engine optimization or SEO, so it's worth putting some information in here. We'll cover SEO in more detail in a subsequent tutorial. Items must be placed in a visible category to appear on your website and in the backend. If you would like an item to remain hidden, you can choose the Hidden category. Secondary category allows an item to appear in multiple categories on your website. We'll cover secondary categories in a subsequent tutorial. Now that we've gotten the basic information about this item input into the system, I'll go ahead and click Submit to save my changes. The item now appears in our backend list of items and in our online store. And we can see that much of the information that we've input about the item populates automatically to the web page. As mentioned earlier, you can use packages to create specials and/or use inventory items in various different ways. For example, here we're going to create a seasonal special that involves a dumpster and a demolition crew. When entering in the contents of a package, make sure to specify a quantity of each item. But don't worry about value, time offset, and duration. Those are rarely used advanced features, which we will cover in our Advanced Items video. Now that I've gotten the basic information about this package input into the system, I'm going to go ahead and click Submit to save my changes. And once again, we can see that our item now shows up in the list of items in the back end, and also on our website. So that's one way to use the system to create specials with packages. We can also use packages to give ourselves flexibility on how we use our inventory, to allow items to be sold or rented in various different forms. For example, we can create a package item called 30-yard concrete dumpster that is really just our regular 30-yard dumpster, but we're charging a higher price for it due to the increased wear and tear from having concrete in the dumpster. The easiest way to do that is to go ahead and copy our 30-yard dumpster, since much of the information about this package will be similar to the base item. We just need to update the name, change it to a package item, and as applicable, update the cost, package contents, item description, and category. Again, once we click Submit, we find that the item shows up in our list of items in the back end, and also on our website. Since the 30-yard concrete dumpster is a package item whose contents include the 30-yard dumpster, when a customer rents either one of those items, it's going to pull that 30-yard dumpster from availability. Another few tips you may find useful. You can click on Customize to specify what fields show up in this menu view. For example, right now I don't feel I need to see secondary categories or display to customers. So when I click on Update, I have a new, less cluttered view that allows me to more easily find the information I'm looking for in this case. You can also click into Spreadsheet mode so as to be able to make edits directly from this page rather than having to click into each individual item to make edits. In either Browse mode or Spreadsheet mode, you can click on any of these headings to organize the items alphabetically according to the heading that you clicked. This can be useful if you'd like to, for instance, survey all of your items in a given category. If you click on the same heading, it will reorder the items in reverse alphabetical order. And last but not least, you can use the search bar to narrow down what you're looking at. This can be useful when you have lots of items in your inventory and you're having a hard time finding the item you're looking for. Don't forget to exit the search when you're done. We hope you are well on your way to building your inventory. These basics will get you started, and customers will be ordering from your website in no time. For more information about the remaining fields inside items, please see our advanced training video. And as always, for questions about this or any other aspect of using the DRS system, please feel free to reach out to tech support at 505-435-9731, extension 102, or support@eventrentalsystems.com. The next videos will cover the creation of suggested add-ons for upselling and required add-ons for forcing a customer selection on an item's configuration. Thank you for watching and have a great day.